there's a disturbance in the force. Batman's in trouble. Hello! Welcome to the Shiddy channel. This video is a spur of the moment video. Phone call, Travis. Shiddy van is broke down. So we're gonna go play van rescue, see if we can get her out to the shop here. And once we get where we need to go, I'll fill y'all in. Let's go for a ride. Alrighty. Where is the Shiddy van? There it is. Let's see what's wrong with this thing, shall we? So, dipstick tube broke. Oil everywhere. Parts store has one in stock, so we're going to run Scottsburg and get a new one. I'd filmed some of the checking some stuff out, but he was on the phone with parts stores, so I just didn't film nothing. So we'll be back. For you guys, it'll be seconds. For us, it's going to be a few minutes. But we're going to go get this part. Hope it's the right one. Hope it fits. If not, we'll fix it. Travis? What do you have to say for yourself?
It's not my fault.
Old vans.
And true Han Solo pro. What's that called? What is that word? Form. In true Han Solo form.
Oh, yeah.
It's not my fault.
Yeah. To the parts store.
Right?
2,000 years later.
I don't think it fits.
What do you mean you don't think it fits?
I mean, I don't think it fits. Like, I don't think it fits in the hole.
So what are we doing now?
We're going to put this little plug in that hole and put some oil in it and nurse it to the shop.
With that being said, we will see you guys when we get back to the Shiddy shop. We are back at the shop, as you may have seen in previous scenes of pulling into the shop. Time to remove the plug. So, when doing a dip stick replacement,
The oil checker thingy.
that.
And this one is way shorter than this one. See? Shorter. So we're gonna have to cut this off. But we gotta make sure that the distance from here to here is the same. Which that's the same there. So we need to make this tube the same, which is 1 inch. I mean, 13/16 if you really want to be technical about it.
Better be a little long than a little short.
That's what she said.
You turn it a little bit, then you turn it a little bit. You turn it a little bit, then you turn it a little bit. You turn it a little bit, then you turn it a little bit.
And then you turn it a little bit more.
And then
And then turn it a little more.
And then?
You keep on turning.
Oh.
I don't think that's the turning they're interested in. Somebody just puked.
Oh, wait. Better go the opposite way for him real quick.
Unwind them.
There we go. Hold on.
Okay. So that's cut. I wonder what we'll save that for. I'm sure we'll make something out of it.
Is this how you do it? Is this how you use it?
Yes, that is exactly how you use this tool. It won't turn around. We're gonna be here a minute. I'll get back with you.
No. So just take your time, guys. File, sand, test fit, file, sand, test fit. Over and over.
Anything else?
Yep.
It's gonna take you 17 tries to get close.
But there it is. It's in.
It's gonna take 17 more times to get it right.
Yep. So this was the easy, simple one in retrospect to some things. The hardest part about this whole dipstick situation was the fact that we had to go from one town to 2 towns over twice. Chasing parts.
Twice.
Nonetheless, we did it.
And we still didn't get the right part. All right, that's still not the right part.
The thing is,
I gotta
people
go to work tomorrow.
working on older stuff, sometimes they don't make the parts or carry the parts. So you just got to take whatever parts you can get for a part and take it apart and make it a part of what you need. Okay? Parts of things.
You know, parts.
Parts. So that's it. That wraps up this emergency video bonus repair on the side of the road back to the, not the side, in a parking lot.
So, when you break the dipstick tube off in your van or engine, go to the hardware store, get a cork, stick the cork in the hole, drive it to the shop. On the way to the shop, stop and buy a new dipstick. Find out that the dipstick's wrong. So you sand and file until it's rightish, sorta, kinda, and then you're done.
Yep. That easy. So easy.
Say bye.
Okay, bye.